This is the new brushless cutoff saw, and we are impressed by it also. Okay, one thing here that I am impressed with, right, is that it actually has this little guard right here, so you can adjust the depth, right, of the saw and work really good. All right. Other thing I like is it has the new light, so that you can see what you're working on. Right, and then it's super light, really light. If you put one of these little batteries in here, this thing is going to be great. We've got a bigger no-name battery. Not too noisy, but quiet. I think we're going to enjoy this one. Oh, it has forward and reverse, Robert.
Really?
Yeah. That's really cool. It's got forward and
So
reverse. You get your vast, you can reverse it. Yeah. I don't know. Or depending on which way you're working.
Yeah, maybe you're dragging, you know.
Oh, right. That makes sense.
Right. You know? Okay, so that's another cool feature. We have no idea what it does, but it has forward and reverse. Okay, so that's the new brushless HP Ryobi cutoff saw, and we'll give it some more trying, but that's out of the box. So this package right here, I got a really great deal on them, right, and we're impressed by both of them. Wait, I always get this wrong.